What is up, everyone? It's Michelle Alexandria. I am back. I'm back in my happy place. I'm at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. Have I mentioned I used to work here? For the Orlando Informa meetup, and I'm staying here at the Royal Pacific Hotel. I love this hotel. I love Universal's premium hotels because it includes every key, hotel room key includes, boom, Universal free Universal Express, unlimited. So basically, you get your park ticket, and this is like a $75 to $200 value, depending upon what day you go. And it almost guarantees you get on almost every ride you want to, except for Coaster and Haygrace. But yeah, I love this perk. So when you stay at a premium property, you get free Universal Express. And this is the room. The room is very nice. It's a lot bigger than I used to think it was because I used to stay here a lot when I was coming down with Sci-Fi Channel for our Sci-Fi Channel events. Hey everyone, this is me. This is me. So first thing you have is the bathroom. So nice big mirror again. Hey, nice big mirror, sink. Oh, the thing that sucks. Oh, it's just a shower. I like having a bathtub, I do. But this is a nice size shower with a rain head. Lots of knobby knobs. I don't know what all that stuff does, but I'll find out. You get some nice toiletries over there. So here, get some nice toiletries. Look how tall this shower is, though. Okay, this is the rain head. I need to get one of these for my apartment. And that's the regular head right there. Very nice. You come out, get your sink, another mirror. How many vanity mirrors do I need? I don't want to see myself. So got one mirror here. You got a side vanity mirror. Then you have a big floor mirror. I need a floor mirror for my house, so I can get all beautiful for these videos. And then over here, got a huge walk-in closet, ironing board. I put my suitcase up on the chair. That's really nice. You come over here, see what we got going on over here. Oh, nice! You get two USB ports, right, and a power cable right here, right next to your bed. Very nice. I like that. You get a lamp. And then let's go over here. Oh wow, nice. Get two more USB. Well, actually, that's one more USB. Two power ports right here, or power plug thingies right there. Clock radio, where you can actually, with the lightning port, so you could drop your iPhone into it. Nice. A nice couch. I don't know if this is a pull-out couch or not. Oh, wow. It's a pull-out couch. Very nice. Nice working desk. Again, another mirror. You know, if I was vain, this would be the room for me. Because look at that. If I was so vain, with beautiful view. Beautiful view of like just a little garden area. Be nice to see the park, but this is nice. I like this. And then you have dresser space, lots of dressers. Dresser over here, you open it up. Got a nice refrigerator. Very nice, especially since I brought like a case of water for a couple of days, a water and soda, because I'm not paying $5 and $6 for a bottle of water. Complimentary tea, so they have a Keurig machine, so tea and coffee. But of course, they screw you on the tea because all they have is green tea. Ugh, hate green tea. And I didn't actually bring my K-cups with me this time. Down here you have cups, ice bucket. The thing I don't like about this hotel though is the hallways are really dark and depressing. But here, more drawer space. 3 drawers here. So yeah, this is the room that I'm going to be in for the next couple of days. Very nice. Very happy with it. Wow, 2 more plugs, another USB, 2 more plugs, another USB. Wow. It's been a long time since I stayed in a room that has this many power plugs. And it's in a convenient spot too, which I like. Here we go, 2 more power plugs right there. Yeah, this is nice. I may extend my stay by another couple of days, actually. So I'm really looking forward to Universal Orlando meetup, the Orlando Informer meetup. So yeah, this is awesome. Really enjoy this. Oh, and this is connecting room. Hope my neighbors aren't loud. Oh, and dryer. So there you go. So my agenda for the weekend is just to hang out. I'm doing Orlando Informal meetup tomorrow night. I was invited to cover the opening of a magical dinner theater show tonight, so I'll be doing that. And right then, I'm just gonna relax. So awesome. Thank you, everyone. Talk to you guys later. Hit that like button and subscribe. More video. I'll do more videos from Universal Orlando meetup, and then I have some interviews I have to post up, and I may talk about that LG G2 that I have. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.